This is the Motorhall car park. €5 car tap. Yeah, no worries. Motorhall car park. It's automated. So you tap on the way in, and when you drive out, that's it. €5. And I'll get you the times now in a second. I think it was first entry 8 AM, but let me confirm that here for you. First entry 8 AM, last entry 7 PM. Car park closing time 8 PM sharp. So okay, so apparently where we want to go is the Motorhall Trail. I do love dogs are not permitted even on leads. No dogs allowed. Yeah, the yellow poles, stay within them, you shouldn't get shot. Slushy, alright. Ooh, yeah. Huh. Yeah, yellow pole, but Lee's over that way. So yeah. There is, there's one over the corner there. Beautiful.